In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the copyright and Powered by Shopify text in Shopify Don't theme. And for this example, I change the color of the text to red. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store, then locate Don't theme and click on Customize. Once the editor loads, make sure the home page is selected. Then on the left, scroll all the way to the bottom, look for the footer section, click on Footer. Now scroll to the bottom once again, and you should find the section Custom CSS. Let's expand it. We're going to be adding the custom CSS rule right here, but at first I go back to my website and get the class selector for the copyright text. Let's right click on it, select Inspect. The class selector we'll be targeting is this one, copyright _content. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, copyright _content. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between to press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Now let me pick the red color and make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right in here. As you can see, the text color was changed to red, but if I hover on the links, it still shows us gray. So let's change that. Once again, let's add some space. Let's type the following rule. Type period, copyright _content, space A, colon, hover. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, press enter. On the next line, type color, colon. Let's copy the hex code for the red color. Let's paste it right in here and add the semicolon at the end. Perfect. So now if I hover on the links, it should be red, just like you see right here. Now let's go ahead and save the changes. Let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing it. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom. As you can see, copyright text and Powered by Shopify is now red color. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.